Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be fixing my interior lighting on my 2009 Honda Civic. When I open any door, the interior lights should come on. Then, once all doors are closed, the lights should stay on for 30 seconds and then they should dim and shut off. On this vehicle, when I open any door, the lights do not come on. However, they do come on if I use the switch to turn them on. After doing some research, the MICU module is part of the fuse and relay box, and it's under the dash. This is what controls the interior lighting and dimming. The door switch sends information to the module letting it know that the doors are either open or shut. Then the module controls the lighting. If you look at the wiring diagram, there's a pink wire that comes off the MICU module that controls the lighting. This is what I need to check. All right, to do this job, I'm gonna need to pull off this sill plate, this wire cover, and then the knee bolster here. And all this just pulls off, and there's one screw here. The sill plate just pulls up. There's some tabs there. And then this just pulls off too. And I need to get underneath there and see what's going on. All right, now that those parts are off, if you look inside here, the wires are all kind of chopped up and hacked. There's a bunch of connectors on those, and that's from the alarm company. When I bought this new, they had some alarm guy just come in, chop up all the wires, and put in an alarm. So if you ever buy a brand new car, just tell them you don't want that car. You'll take the one that comes in before they cut up all their wires, because it causes nothing but problems later on. All right, so I think I found the problem. It's this pink wire. I'm gonna tug on it while watching the lights to see if I can get that thing to come out or flicker or do something. The lights look like a dim. So I'm tugging on it right now. I don't see anything. There it goes. All right, so I want to be sure, so I'm kind of wiggling it different ways. This is definitely the problem. A lot of people on the internet were telling me that was the module. They have problems with them, but it's clearly just this wire. All right, so let's pull this apart and see what's going on here. That was probably it right there. That was barely hung on there. I'm gonna need to fix that wire, do some soldering. I've got a battery operated soldering gun. This thing's pretty awesome. It gets hot in about 10 seconds. And then it also has a heat shrink attachment. I need to solder. That's what it is. And I also need some heat shrink. Let's go over there and solder this up. Let's get this heat shrink. All
right, well that should do it.
So everything worked out perfect on this job. I feel like I got really, really lucky finding that loose connection on that pink wire. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so I've got the pink wire back probed. I've got the meter set up here, and right now it says 12 volts with the door shut and nothing going on. I'm going to open the door. The lights came on and the voltage went down to pretty much nothing, 0.12. Now I'm going to shut the door. The lights dim. The voltage goes to 4.79, and now it should stay on for 30 seconds, and then after 30 seconds, the voltage will go back up to 12 volts, and the lights will go completely off. That's how the system should work. Okay, so here's the fuse box, and the module is integrated in here. This connector is the one you want to work with, and this is the pink wire, and you would back probe it back here.